God.
Standard Time. At 1:10 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Freeman, 25 miles east of Hewlett.
Dude, that scared the crap out of me. I'm just playing Minecraft.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact.
It's clear skies.
Roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Freeman, Bighorn, and Mobile. This includes the following highways: Arizona Interstate 8 between mile markers 133 and 151. Arizona Route 238 between mile markers 30 and 31. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued
Bro.
until 2 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following.
I'm literally shaking right now, bro.
Maricopa and
It scared me so bad.
the current time is 1:12.
Jeez. Wow. Can't really see it. It's a severe thunderstorm warning. At least you know it works. That went off too, but I recorded too late. The alert tone didn't. You need to calm down. Yeah. Alright, I guess let's check outside, because apparently there's a thunderstorm. Where is this thing at? A little cloud over there. Wait, there's clouds over there. I don't know if you see, but there's clouds over there. I don't know if that's towards Pinal County or whatever, but there's also clouds over there, but I don't think those are thunderheads. A little bit cloud over there, but I don't know, there's nothing. It's like that was triggered on accident. Anyway, that's the first time I got an alert off of those. I don't know how long that's gonna stay on. Oh man. Yeah, I just went on this website because I normally check this from time to time, but there's a severe thunderstorm warning. That's for Maricopa, and I'm in Maricopa. That station that I'm on normally does Maricopa and Pinal, which is how I got it. So there's like pretty much clear skies. Clouds towards like that way and back there, but it's not really like close to me. But if it hits, I'll start recording again and show you guys. Dude, calm down. Thank you.